If you're losing money as a trader, this video will show you why and will literally map out how to become profitable instantly today. Now, look, if you're losing money, you are stuck on one of the things I'm about to map out. And by the end of this short video, you will know exactly what to do, the next steps to take to gain profitability and start pulling money out of the markets, both safely and consistently right away. Let me explain. So I've been preparing some new training recently that's based on hundreds of client calls and coaching sessions that I've done over the years. And I did something I've never done before. I went back through all of my notes and I've listed out all of the key reasons, the reasons that come up again and again and again as to why traders lose money. And I've put these into a document for you. And not only that, I've paired them with the solutions to every single one. So whatever problems you're facing right now, whatever's holding you back as a trader, even if you aren't even aware of what is holding you back, I guarantee you, both the problem and the solution are on this very document. So let's cover it together and let's get your problem solved and make you a profitable trader right here and right now. So let's start with the problems that losing traders face, and make a note when you find the one or the ones that describe you. So to begin with, they don't truly know what they're doing. They're learning quote unquote strategies from YouTube that do not give them clear, repeatable rules to follow, or they're learning via low-cost beginner courses that, again, do not teach them a clear, proven process. Instead, they teach them theory, i.e. This is a trend line, or this is an RSI indicator, and so on, which leaves losing traders to basically see if they can figure it out. And as an example, one popular analysis strategy is buying the breakout of a trend line. The problem is, when will this breakout occur? Exactly when and where do you actually execute and buy? Where do you put your stop loss and your profit target? Do you scale profit out as the market moves in your favor? And if so, where and why? See, these quote unquote strategies and methods do not tell a trader when trades will occur, or exactly where to get in or out, or even what markets best fit the strategy itself. Nothing. Every single critical aspect of the trading process is left to chance, to hope. Or in other words, traders using these methodologies are using best guesses and predictions, just as a gambler in a casino would, to trade. Is it any wonder they're losing money? Remember, gamblers do not have an edge. The casino has an edge. And as mechanical, methodical, process-based traders, we are the casino, for the reasons I'll explain later in the video. And above all, losing traders are lacking a process. They're lacking simple, clear rules to follow that are statistically proven on paper to genuinely work. This statistical proof is, well, it's critical, as it provides the ability to actually verify that a strategy truly works before it is traded. The problem is, only a rule-based strategy can be properly tested, because without clear rules, it is impossible to be sure about where a strategy will actually get you in and out of any one trade, along with exactly, again, where a stop loss and a target will be placed each time a trade is actually triggered. In other words, if a trader is using analysis or indicators, it is impossible to define and prove that what they're doing truly works. And this confusion and this doubt that comes with not having a process, not having clear rules to follow, leads to trading with emotion, snatching greedily at those small wins, yet holding on to huge losses in the hope, really, that they will turn around and come good. And this emotion is what holds losing traders back. Mechanical rules, however, remove this problem entirely by putting simple, clear rules in place. And to make matters worse still, traders using the methods that we've just described, analysis, predictions, hope, guesses, indicators, they're forced to spend all day glued to the charts with no idea when a trade setup will actually occur, meaning hours upon hours of time wasted. For anybody with a day job who isn't able to watch the charts for 6, 8, 10 plus hours every single day of the week, it is nigh on impossible to succeed due to this. Whereas mechanical trading setups form at certain times of the day, each day repeatedly, meaning you know exactly when to be at the charts and how long for. So let's summarize those points before we move on to the solutions to those. So again, losing traders do not have clear rules to follow that guide them through every step of the trading process. Their existing quote-unquote strategies are unclear, they're confusing due to this, and they're also non-proven. And due to not having rules in place, they are unable to verify that what they're doing truly works. They are currently trading using emotion and best guesses, not a proven process and an edge. And above all, they are gambling, whether they know it or not, again, without an edge over the market. And bottom line, they're lacking a repeatable, statistically proven trading process. Next, let's cover the solutions to every single one of these problems so that you can get whichever ones are holding you back solved for good. And you can start pulling money out of the markets and generating an income from your trading account. Now, mechanical rules actually enable a trader to know exactly what to do at all times. Exactly which markets to trade and why. Exactly what their entry trigger is, i.e. Where and when to enter a trade, where to place a stop loss and a profit target. Every single step is known in advance. Mechanical rules do not use a single indicator or require any analysis whatsoever, so no trend lines, no RSIs, no stochastics, no support or resistance. All we use is price itself. Mechanical rules do not rely on or require a single guess or emotional decision whatsoever. Every single step of the trading process actually has a rule assigned to it and has been statistically tested and proven to provide an edge over the market. We are not the gambler. We are the house. We have an edge over the market rather than the market having an edge over us. And this means that over the long term, we can be mathematically sure that we will pull money out of the markets that we trade for absolutely certain. And mechanical rules provide a step-by-step, again, statistically proven, end-to-end process that anybody with the rules can follow to consistently generate income via financial markets. And this process involves zero doubt, zero confusion, zero emotion, and above all, zero stress either. Now, again, let's summarize these points and really boil them down. Now, mechanical rules enable a trader to know exactly what to do at all times. So, like we just said, the exact markets to trade and why, where and when to enter, along with where to place a stop loss and a target to, all ahead of time, all predetermined, all statistically proven to work. Mechanical rules do not use a single indicator and require no analysis whatsoever. They do not require any guesses, so no predictions, no emotion, no hope whatsoever. And again, what this does is provide us with a statistically proven edge over the market, mathematically built and therefore sound. And mechanical rules provide a step-by-step process that anybody could learn and follow. And this leads to consistent, proven, and most importantly, reliable income generation. Now, my question to you, would you like to consistently and reliably generate an income via the financial markets using the exact mechanical rules that me, my team, and all of our clients are using to do just that? If so, click the button on this video or click the link in the description of this video and you can book a call to discuss doing just that. You'll speak with me personally, just me and you, and we'll get any questions that you might have answered. And if you're a good fit to work with us, I will literally hand over the mechanical rules there and then on the call. And we will make you a profitable trader now, straight away. No more time wasted, no more stress, no more not really knowing what you're doing, no more gambling or predicting or worry. And most importantly, no more of your hard-earned money handed over to your broker or your trading platform unnecessarily. Again, click the button on this video or click the link in the description. Let's get you the rules, let's get those problems solved, and let's make you a profitable trader now, together. Again, get yourself a call booked, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.